I'm gonna show you how to make some new jazz stuff. I'm also working on a one-shot kit for 500 subs. Thank you guys so much for running this shit up. We're really going crazy. And yeah, let's get it. I'm starting in G sharp minor. I'm just gonna lay down the first note, and I'm gonna count 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna build the chords off that. If you just learn a little bit of intervals, you can figure out like how to build a progression quick. Basically just like counting up or down from the root note, and you can just make it work. Now I'm gonna do the lead. It's a free plugin. Yeah, it's pretty far. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go get my kit Evolve. Helps support me a lot. I'm trying to grow this whole thing. Now I'm just gonna put a master on it. Let's do the drums. Always do this when you add an 808. Go to this envelope thing, put the attack all the way down, and put the release all the way down. And then when you use multiple 808s, make sure the cut's always the same. That way it doesn't bleed into each other. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure to hit the subscriber roll. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Oh, oh, oh.